St. Anthony's College Shillong marked a proud moment on the 2nd of September 2025 as it hosted its annual Convocation ceremony at the college auditorium. The event was a celebration of academic excellence, values and culture. The Convocation ceremony of St. Anthony's College witnessed a gathering of students, faculty, alumni and dignitaries as the institution celebrated the achievements of its students. This year, the college honored 145 rank holders across various streams and recognized 5 PhD scholars, a record high for the institution. The chief guest, Meghalaya's Minister of Arts and Culture, Social Welfare and Tourism, Paul Lyngdoh, who is also an alumnus of the college, lauded the institution for shaping leaders and professionals who continue to serve society. He encouraged students to pursue knowledge with humility and to uphold the values of hard work, discipline and service. The principal of the college, Father Arcadius Puwen, along with faculty members, congratulated the graduates and expressed confidence that they would carry forward the legacy of St. Anthony's College. The convocation conducted with an oath-taking ceremony followed by a cultural performance that reflected the rich heritage and diversity of the region. Among the awardees, Muhammad Rizal Islam from the Department of Political Science was conferred the title Student of the Year in recognition of his outstanding overall performance. With academic laurels and cultural pride, St. Anthony's College Shillong once again reinforced its reputation as one of the premier institutions in the Northeast.
Mosaic, please applaud its unveiling.
Under the guidance of Dr. K.H.D. Anil Singh, awarded by Hindu on 8th October 2024. Dr. Veronica Pala, awarded by Hindu on 25th November 2024.
What's in the melody? What treasures does it hold? Will it captivate our senses? Express what's deep within our soul.
It's not very easy for a remote village during the pre-colonial days to come to be now regarded as the most sought tourist destination in India. It's not every day that somebody with the gift, the talent, and the reach of each level to say this is Shillong is his most preferred place of performance when he toured India. It's not very easy for us to have made this far without the vision, the courage, and the leadership that I would like you, as students of St. Anthony's College, to add further value to. And I'm sure you will add further value as you leave this shrine of learning. Back in the 1990s, when I was a student here, I didn't have a few of the advantages that I would have loved to have. One is the Department of Music, and two, we didn't have members of the other gender. But I think it did help in that I was not distracted, kept my focus on, and made sure that I journeyed from St. Anthony's College to Nehru. The Department of English at that point of time was rated as one of the top 10 in the country, and eventually from the university to then work to the Secretariat in 2003. In a career that gives me more brickbats, it's calming to receive bouquets once in a while. And as a musician, I used to say, when people ask me, why are you so passionate about music? I said, in my office hours, I face the music. And after office hours, I create music. That's why music is so intrinsic to me. So today is a memorable occasion for St. Anthony's College. And I know for a fact that since you have various clubs, you have over roughly 30 clubs specializing in different fields like dance and drama, and also the fact that we have now more departments which are career-oriented. Quite a few of you will make it to the top in various fields. But I would like to implore, I would like to make it a point that whatever you choose to do in life, keep the motto of St. Anthony's College alive in your heart.